of my early birds. I hope everybody who's up at this time, just like me who are crazy, are doing their abs and their fasted cardio.
Yeah, I wanna see you win. Yeah, I wanna see the race. I wanna see your bitch climb in the stars like you out of space. All of my partners in poppin', you know that we lit it good. All of the fours on college, you know that we lit it good.
What is going on, guys? So real quick, making myself something little to eat since I just finished the fast all the way to 1. So egg whites, yeah, like I was saying, egg whites, mushroom spinach omelet. I really recommend you guys to start fasting. It's good. It's kind of helped me keep myself more disciplined, and it's controlled my hunger in a way. I do get hungry, but it kind of like I trained myself not to really overthink. We're gonna do an omelet. Got tired of it. Fuck it. Scrambled eggs. I got about 5 egg whites, mushrooms, and spinach with a little bit of paste.
Get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments.
Ready? What's going on, guys? I am super excited. We just left the manufacturing place, and I'm not gonna show you the thing, but I have my first receipt of my first like haul of clothes for you guys. I'm super excited to see we have our first shirts in 3 different colors and all different types of sizes. I'm very happy and proud of them, and we have so much more stuff coming your way. What is going on, guys? I know I haven't really been vlogging much, but if you've seen the video, which I just posted in the beginning, it's not the original song. It was a way more funnier song, but for some reason it doesn't happen to. So yeah, like I said, I had to switch the song, but if you had me on Instagram, definitely check out the video with the original song that I wanted to put. It was definitely for the World Baseball Classics game, Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic. It was just a funny video just of me, because I've done 2 parts of me jumping outside in the snow with no clothes on, whatever. And this was just a funny video just to represent my country, Puerto Rico, and there was no hard feelings. There was nothing, no. But anyways, so yeah, I haven't really been vlogging because I really had been busy with in regards to stuff of the launch, and I've just kind of been not feeling so well, and I guess jumping outside in the snow wasn't really helping it. So anyways, going back on topic, I have still been on my fast. I still fast. I do morning cardio, fasted, abs. I still weight train. The goal is still to be 180, 185, 190. Anyways, I'm gonna have a snack. And I'm gonna have this because I'm actually defrosting some salmon and some chicken, which I have seasoned already. And we're gonna put you through that. And then I feel like we are going to train legs today. For those of you who do live either in Jersey, New York, Boston, around this area, you do know we did have a snowstorm. And kind of like held me back one day at the gym, but it's all right. I mean, we still had I had a rest day. I didn't really pick out. But yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys what we're taking out for the launch. And anyways, we'll talk more about that later. We're gonna be cooking, like I said, some chicken, some salmon, some vegetables. So stay tuned. what you saw was pretty much, I did pack all the food, but I just took the grilled chicken. Instead of just grilling it like I usually do, I pretty much mixed in with vegetables, and then I made also white rice, and everything's measured, everything's portioned out. So yeah, that's what I chose to make as my meal. I'm also probably gonna do it tomorrow because like I said, I'm not feeling so good, but I am also making salmon in the oven, and yeah, that will be my meal for the week. So yeah.